Hello students, welcome back to Me Learning. Our previous videos we learned that matter is made of tiny particles and that these particles are always moving. But today we are going to discover something even more amazing. How does ice turn into water? How does water become steam? And what happens to particles when matter is heated? In this video, we'll explore melting, boiling, evaporation, and changes of state. You'll also learn how heat gives energy to particles and changes the physical state of matter. So get ready for fun experiments, cool animations, and real life science examples. Let's get started. When matter is heated, particles gain energy and start moving faster. The change from solid to liquid is called melting. The fixed temperature at which a solid melts is called its melting point. The change from liquid to gas is called boiling. The fixed temperature at which a liquid changes into gas is called its boiling point. Evaporation happens slowly from the surface of liquids. That is why wet clothes dry in sunlight. So today we learned how heat changes the state of matter. We discovered that solids melt into liquids, liquids boil into gases, and evaporation happens all around us every day. We also learned that particles gain energy when heated and start moving faster. From melting ice cubes to boiling water to drying clothes, science is happening everywhere around us. Keep observing the world, keep asking questions, and keep learning like real scientists. So, in this chapter, we learned matter is made of particles. Particles have spaces and attraction. Particles are always moving, and heat can change the state of matter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Class 8 science lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.